Alrighty, Smoot coming at you again here tonight. I brought a couple of the other motors over from the shop, and I just thought I'd show them to you. I'll start off with this one. This is an old Clinton. No, I'm lying to you. I am. Yeah. Got tape on it still, that's why. This is the old original Briggs & Stratton that I had. It's all painted up. Needs a spark plug. I'm zoomed out. No. Now this is the Clinton that I bought. Bought it offline. eBay. Now I did a video on that one. We had it running. I'm pretty sure I had that one running. Although I can't remember. I know I had this one running because it's got a new muffler. This is an old 3 horsepower Briggs that I got from an old guy up north. This was some kid's 4-H project. They rebuilt this motor. It run like a top apparently. But what happened was, I don't know if you can see this, they broke the fitting off for the gas line here. So I've got to get a new piece of plastic or brass or whatever the heck that is. And just run a new gas line into that one. We'll get that one running. And then this is the old Clinton. This is the original one that I bought. And as far as I know, this one should fire right up. This one is cold, ice cold. It hasn't ran this year that I know of. But I'm going to set you down here. It's got gas in it. And we're going to see if we can get it to fire up. So this will be old start, cold start of the old Clinton. Now let's see if I can get this situated here. Where the heck would be a good place? Right down here, I think. Now let's see if I can get you lined up here. That's not too bad. See if we can get this old bitch to fire. Now it does have gas in it, I'm sure. It's gas. It's just a dribble in there, but there's gas. It was last fall I had this one running. I'm going to go back down there. Now it should run. Uh-oh. The choke is broke. Oh, it turns this way. Well, let's see if we can get her to fire. Matter with this one, other than it hasn't run in forever. Maybe it's not gonna go. Well, I don't know what to tell you, people. Being fussy. Down here. Took a little going, but it got her. Whew, I got a little sweat on it. It's about 28 above here and really humid. They're calling for a thunderstorm tonight. But this is a Clinton, I don't know, 1 horse, air cooled. The gas in there is 2 years old, so that could be part of the problem. But I did a video on that one already, had it running. So I was going to push that one off to the side. We're going to work on this one, try to find a new fitting for it. And this one here, we're going to rip it apart, see if we can get the points figured out. And that's the one I was working on yesterday. So this is, and I've still got a couple more motors in the other shop, but we've got one here, 2 Briggs there, one of the Iron Fist, 3 horse Briggs there, Iron Fist, or Iron Horse, sorry. There's the Kohler off of the rototiller that I had. I got all that stuff home from the shop. I'm going to start working on that one of these days here too. Next to it's a Briggs and Stratton. It was running, but we ripped it apart for parts, so I don't know, it's probably just a parts motor. And then I got the other 3 Iron Horse motors there. And that's most of my motors. I need a better stand for this camera. Well, that's most of them. Oh, got you too far. So what do we got? Oh, we got 9 minutes into this one, so I guess I'll have a quick beer here, celebrate the running of the little Clinton. We'll post this one. What time is it? 10 after 8. Holy cow! Ooh. Had steak for supper, and that just about showed you that. So yeah, quick shot out of the shop here again. I don't know if I showed you in the beginning of this. I found a little paint, so we did some painting. It's looking a little better. I still got to do the rest of the shop. I only found a quart, so you know, that's as far as I got. Ooh, is it ever a muggy one out here tonight? yeah. So we got that motor running. At least you can't say I didn't fire one up for you. Now I did do a video of that one earlier when we did the rebuild on it. Get you guys straightened out here. There we go. I'll look up. There, that's better. I'll look up the URL for that motor when I rebuilt it first, and I'll try to post it right down below here so you can go actually check out that motor when we did the rebuild on it. And I can't remember exactly what we did to it. I know I got it shipped to me from South Carolina. I know some guy down in the States off eBay had that, so I bought it off him. He shipped it up to me. It wasn't running when I got it. We had to rip it apart. Done some work. I can't remember what we did. I'm going to have to go check the video out myself. So, but we got it running, and it's always been a good motor. It's always fired. It was a little stiff today, but I think that was because the gas in it is 2 years old, and it was the first time it started this year. And don't know what else to tell you on that one. But now that it's running and warmed up, watch this. Or I suppose it'll fail me. Yeah, ever since we rebuilt that one, it's been a hell of a good little motor. I was starting to have my doubts there for a minute, but she went. And yeah, I'm going to eventually try to get all of these running, mount them onto little boards, and then I'll be able to fire them all up all at once maybe for you. And whatever. I'm just kind of babbling here. I'm bored. Probably boring you. But that's alright. That's what I'm here for. Maybe we'll start a whole new series of being bored with Smoot. Or bored to death by Smoot. We'll figure something out. But anyways, okay, that's a little rundown of the motors here. Like I said, I've still got some more, but they're bigger. Got a couple 8 horsepowers and a couple of 6s and stuff. But I do want to get the painting done in here before I actually drag all this shit in, because it just makes it easier to paint around. So, but anyways, I'm going to post this one. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and tomorrow, hopefully, get home early enough. If nothing's going on in the shop, I will start working on this iron horse that we were working on yesterday with the carburetor. I pulled the carburetor apart and cleaned it all out, bought some cleaner, and I was shooting a video, and the video turned out just horrible, so I'm not even going to post that one. Maybe I'll post a little bit of it when I get the rest of it done. I'll edit it up a bit, but anyways, I want to go post this one. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and until later, Smoot out.